Problem E4.16. For this problem, we are asked to create a translation. I will be going over how to find the information in the problem to complete the translation. For a translation, there are four parts: function, constraint, objective, and free variable. First, we will be looking at the function of this problem. The keywords for the function of this problems are the furnace, insulation, and energy efficient. From that, we can come up with the function: a material is needed for an energy efficient furnace insulation. Now, we are going to determine the constraints. From the text, we can see that the furnace is going to be operates at 650 degrees Celsius and the thickness of insulation should not exceed 0.2 meter. Thus, we can say that the constraints of the material are: it should has a heat resistance greater than 650 degrees Celsius and a thickness of less than or equal to 0.2 meter. Now, we will look at the objective of this problem. From the text, we can see that we want to minimize heat loss. One way to minimize heat loss is to minimize the thermal conductivity of the material. So, that will be our objective. Now we will look at the free variables. Free variables are the variables that can be changed. They are usually not mentioned in the problem. For this problem, the free variables can be the choice of materials, the cost of the material, and the wear resistance of the material. From the slides, we can come up with the solution to the problem, which is also the translation of the problem.